Okay, I made a huge mess. I already cleaned up some of it, but here it is. I was making slime. And I spilled poly pellets all over the place. Now I'm gonna vacuum them.